I'm Peter.lafrance. If you enjoy this video, don't hesitate to click on the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Enjoy your visit. It's summertime, and when the temperature gets into the 90s, it's a great time to enjoy a refreshing beer cocktail. Here at the Bink, 60 Henry Street in Brooklyn Heights, New York City, bartender Brian Crowder is going to craft 3 refreshing beer cocktails from Mark Addison's new book, Cocktail Chameleon. Information on the Bink and the book is available in the information box below, as well as recipes for this cocktail.
Here we have the Summertime Shandy. This is a great, nice, juicy beer cocktail topped with a white beer, a little bit of orange juice in there, some thyme, super tasty. We start first with half an ounce of thyme syrup, 1 ounce of orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, 1 ounce of lemon, 1 ounce of vodka, 3 or 4 ice cubes. Give it a nice little stir. Topped with about 12 ounces of a nice Belgian white, or American white style beer. Garnish with thyme and a nice little lemon wheel. Ready to serve. Summertime Shandy.
I'm back to remind you that if you liked this video, please click on the thumbs up icon below. And while you're at it, subscribe, and you will learn the next video goes hot just as soon as it does. I appreciate each and every subscription. I'm Peter.lafrance.